Let's take up uses of phenols. It is used as antiseptic and disinfectant in carbolic soaps and lotions. Carbolic acid is another name of phenol. Remember, the commonly used Dettol, it contains phenolic compounds terpineol and chloroxylenol. It is used for manufacture of bakelite, which is an important insulator used in electrical devices. Bakelite is used in making electrical switches and switchboards. It is used in manufacture of phenolphthalein, which is used as an indicator in volumetric analysis and as a purgative in medicines. In manufacture of drugs like salicylic acid, aspirin, Salol, and phenestrine. It is used in manufacture of azo-dyes. It is used for cauterizing the wound caused by dog bite. It is used as a preservative in inks. In manufacture of picric acid, which is used for dyeing silk and wool, and also in preparation of explosives. It is used in manufacture of cyclohexanol, which is an excellent solvent for rubber and lacquers. Lacquers are used in paints. It is used in manufacture of artificial tannin. Let's take up important points to remember. Certain phenols like eugenol present in clove oil, isoeugenol present in nutmeg oil, thymol present in thyme and mint oil, vanillin present in vanilla beans, which is used in vanilla ice cream, etc., have been found to occur naturally. Riemann-Diamond reaction is also known as carbonation reaction because it involves dichlorocarbene as an electrophile, which is an intermediate in this reaction. Naphthalene, when oxidized with vanadium pentoxide in presence of sulfuric acid, it results in the formation of phthalic anhydride, which reacts with phenol, leads to the formation of phenolphthalein. And this reaction, second reaction we have already taken. The first one is a oxidation reaction. Naphthalene gets oxidized in presence of vanadium pentoxide and sulfuric acid. Order of acidity: 2,4-dinitrophenol is more acidic than para-nitrophenol because nitro groups are electron withdrawing groups, so they stabilizes corresponding phenoxide ion. Para-nitrophenol is more acidic than paracresol because methyl group is electron releasing, decreases acidic character, which is more acidic than para-aminophenol because amino group is also electron releasing group, so its acidic character is minimum. Next, phenolic esters such as methyl, phenolic ethers such as methyl ether called anisole, methoxybenzene is an important solvent used in some organic reactions. Ethyl phenyl ether phenitol is a pleasant smelling ether. Diphenyl ether is prepared by Ullmann reaction. Sodium phenoxide reacts with bromobenzene in presence of copper at 210 degrees centigrade. NaBr is removed. We get diphenyl ether, or phenoxybenzene is the IUPAC name. Methyl salicylate is the constituent of oil of wintergreen. It is obtained by direct esterification of salicylic acid with methyl alcohol in the presence of HCl gas. This is called Fischer-Speirer method. Salicylic acid, when reacts with methyl alcohol, water is removed in the presence of HCl gas, which absorbs water, acts as dehydrating agent, results in the formation of methyl salicylate. Methyl salicylate is muscular pain reliever. Methyl salicylate is used in perfumery and in treatment of rheumatic pains. It is also effective for sprains. It is for this reason that it is used in manufacture of Iodex, Move, and other pain balms. Phenyl salicylate, commonly called Salol, is prepared by heating salicylic acid with phenol in the presence of phosphorus oxychloride. Being a good antiseptic, it is used in manufacture of toothpastes and also as an intestinal antiseptic. So salicylic acid reacts with phenol in the presence of phosphorus oxychloride, and here we get an ester phenyl salicylate, which is called Salol. 3,4,5-trihydroxybenzoic acid, known as gallic acid, in free state is present in tea, and that is why tea is acidic in nature, and in the roots of pomegranates. In combined form, it is present in gallnuts, oak bark, and acacia bark. On heating at melting point, it gives pyrogalol. This is gallic acid. When we heat, decarboxylation takes place and we get pyrogalol, which is benzene 1,2,3 triol, and it is best absorber of oxygen. So this reaction is involving decarboxylation or removal of carbon dioxide. Gallic acid on exposure to air becomes brown or to black. That is why it is used in manufacture of blue-black ink. Bismuth gallate under the name of dermitol is used in treatment of skin infections. Salicylic acid is present in many essential oils as its ester. It is used in treatment of eczema and other skin diseases. It is also used in treatment of corn to remove dead skin. Chloroglucinol is used in testing rancidity of oils and fats. 1,2,3 trihydroxybenzene, these days we call it benzene 1,2,3 triol. Common name is pyrogalol or pyrogallic acid. It is used as hair dye. Salvarsan or 606 is found to be more potent drug in the treatment of trypanosomiasis. It was prepared from phenol. Para-acetamidophenol, that is paracetamol, which is called popularly known as, this is important antipyretic compound. It is actually para-hydroxy derivative of acetanilide. This is para-hydroxyacetanilide or para-acetamol. Paracetamol is most commonly used for bringing down the fever in the febrile body. It is also used as analgesics to remove pain like headache, toothache, etc. The order of acid strength of various compounds is as follows. Carboxylic acids are more acidic than carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is more acidic than phenol. Phenol is more acidic than water, and water is more acidic than alcohols. This is the order of acidic strength of various acidic compounds.